The air carries dust and fine particulate matter that can cause diseases and even complicate certain sleep disorders such as sleep apnea. One possible solution to this problem is to create a clean sleeping environment with high air quality. Therefore, we at Hokkaido University created a tent-type clean unit system platform, or T-CUSP, that can provide such an environment. Our tent unit is equipped with an air cleaner and provides an almost airtight space free of dust and microbes, complying with the US FED 209E Class 10 or ISO 14644-1 Class 4 standards. The gas exchange membrane of our T-CUSP is also easy to install and maintain. In addition, our tent houses a real-time air quality monitor, a camera, and temperature and humidity sensors. We used our T-CUSP to remotely measure the electromyography, electroencephalography, and actigraphy signals of multiple subjects to explore the relationship between sleep and changes in air quality. We discovered that the subjects' activity levels correlated with the amount of carbon dioxide inside the tent. Therefore, although originally designed for sleep monitoring experiments, a person's metabolism and exercise efficiency can also be derived from the variables measured by our system. In addition, the T-CUSP can be used by doctors and researchers to monitor a patient's condition remotely. Further, the tent provides a clean and isolated space to separate beds and prevent the spread of infectious diseases such as COVID-19, which is relevant in both clinical and domestic settings. We believe T-CUSP has the potential to become a smart, energy-efficient, and low-cost tool for remote health monitoring, medical research, and good living.